Here I've got INFINIX Hot 9, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select sound, and here click on phone ringtone, and just pick one from the following list. And then just pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and as you can see, phone ringtone has been changed. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.